Right. So welcome again, everyone, to the most interactive math class online, Form 3 math class online, where everyone gets to learn by God's grace. So what we are looking at this evening is basic algebra, because algebra is it's like the foundation of math. And once you could imagine it, nobody could stop you with mathematics. All right. So we were just saying we were doing some basics one. 3x plus 6 equal 12. So we minus 6 because we get putting all the numbers on one side. We put in all the numbers on one side. That's all. So once the numbers are on one side, you cancel them out. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Now, I have a question. I have a big question, and this question goes to, I'm always asking people question. This question goes to Andrea. All right, Andrea just starting, so I wouldn't ask Andrea. Janicia, you weren't sure what to do after this point. Janicia, could you tell me what 3x means? What's the meaning of 3x? What's the meaning of 3x? Or if anybody knows, they could answer. But the question goes to Janicia first. What does 3x mean? If you was
Three
to tell a
times
little,
X?
sorry?
Three times X?
Very good. 3x means 3 times x. So we're going to do the opposite of multiplication to get rid of that 3. We're going to do the opposite of multiplication to get rid of 3. Anybody could tell me if you're not multiplying, what you're doing?
Dividing.
All right, so we're dividing. We're dividing. So to get rid of this 3, I have to divide by 3. But whatever I do on the left-hand side, I have to do it on the right-hand side. So 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6, 2. So my answer equals sign on that equal sign. X is equal to 2. Everybody okay with that? Everybody think that they could do it like that now? No answer. You know how depressing it is to talk to yourself? All right, so everybody wrote this down. So you all making me talk to myself. Everybody wrote this down. So 3x plus 6 equal 12. We needed to get rid of put all the numbers on the right-hand side. We could, the 3 was 3 times x. So I had a minus 6 on both sides. And then I had 3x. I had a minus 6 on both sides. But there's another way. I could have just said, I'm taking the 6 over to the other side. So if it's positive, it becomes negative. This is not mathematically correct. So maths teachers will say, well, you're not supposed to do that. But anything to get the question done quickly, I am there. Now, I will teach you the correct method, which is minus and 6 on. This is the correct method. All right, so I'll use the correct method about 3 times, and then I'm doing the shortcut method. All right, people? All right, so we're going shortcut now. So let's do another one. And so everybody wrote this one already. I could move on.
Yes.
All right. And if you didn't get this, the YouTube video, you could go back to the YouTube video. I'll post the YouTube video so you could go back to the work. All right, so let's try another one. 5x minus 3 equals to negative 33. All right, so go ahead, everybody. Trying this one. We're finding for x. Solve the equation. Right, as soon as you have it, you want to take a picture. Remember, equal sign under equal sign. Now, in this case, because it's plus 3, to get rid of plus negative 3, you have to add 3. All right, to get rid of negative 3, you have to add 3. All right, so your next line should be 5x minus 3 plus 3, negative 33 plus 3. For those persons who don't want to do that, you could just write 5x equals a negative 33 plus 3. Just carry it on the other side. But the sign changes. Notice your sign will change. Once you go to the right-hand side, so remember I said there's a left-hand side and there's a right-hand side. All right, so let's go. All right, just give me a second. I have to make a call.
Um, didn't understand it when you explained it the first time properly. So I'll wait till I explain it again, right?
All right, hold on just a sec. Give me just 2 minutes. Hold on. All right, so sorry about that. Apparent call. Right, so everybody sent their work on for me because they would have had to send in work. I'm seeing Janicia. Janicia fast boy. Janicia, that is negative 33. Negative 33 plus 3. So look at it again.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, negative 33. So you can't add because negative 33 plus. Look, I started it all for you, you know. All right. So, but I like how you state down your work. Very good. Um, Trinity, you didn't give me a work equal sign under equal sign. So you have to write it over and send it. You have to send it over for me.
So repeat.
You did not put equal sign under equal sign.
Oh, okay.
So you need to do that for me. Do it over and send it back to me. You're doing it pretty good, but I want equal sign under equal sign. All right, so good. So Trinity sent her work. She's going to. Gabriel sent his work. Looking good, looking good. Gabriel, why I don't like his third line? I don't like your third line. Oh, so everybody, I think I saw everybody's work. Whose I didn't see? Oh, Analia, I didn't see your work. You have to send your work to me now. Analia, are you there?
Yeah, man.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
So, but you didn't send anything to me yet.
I said that I didn't get to like hear your first explanation too good. So I'll say I was waiting to hear this
No, you
one.
have to try.
Okay, okay.
You have to try, and then you send your work to me. So, write it down. Write it down. So the next question you will have to do it, right? So everybody, minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So that's just 5x. So this is 0, so we don't need to put the 0. What is negative 33 plus 3? When the signs are different, what do we have to do with the two numbers?
Find the difference.
Right, right, difference means to do what?
Take away.
Very good. So what is 33 minus take away 3? What is 3 from 33?
30.
Right. So would it be positive 30 or negative 30?
Negative 30.
Negative. Right. So the bigger number, always keep this in mind. Keep this in mind, people. The bigger number is carrying whatever the bigger number, well, 33 is bigger than 3. And the sign in front of the bigger number, that's the sign we're going to keep. The sign in front, the bigger number, so it's negative 33. So 5x equals negative 30, sorry. Now, remember, 5x means 5 times x. So we want to find for x. So we do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. Whatever we do on one side, we do on the next. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 30. 6. So x is equal to negative 6. Everybody okay with that? Notice my equal signs under my equal signs. Very important. Notice my equal sign under my equal sign. Very important. All right, people? Very important. The equal signs all under each one. All right, so are we ready for another one?
Yes, sir.
Analia, you ready for one
Yeah.
now?
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay. All right, so you could call me Sir Analia. All right, I'm not a miss, so you could call me Sir. All right, so
Okay,
let's try, let's try another one. That's not. Okay, so let's go. And we're going to build from what we know. Now, once you could state your questions down like this, we build from what we know. So, right? And that's the thing about maths. Usually, people have a hard time with maths because they didn't have this foundation that we are doing today. All right, so we're doing this one. When you're through, you're going to send your work to my WhatsApp. All right, Analia.
yeah.
All right, so you're sending your work to my, you're taking
Yes.
a pic. Once you finish, you take a picture and you're going to send it to my WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Great. Ah, beautiful, Janicia. You did very good with the last question. So, pretty good. That's nice. Right, this one is an easy one. So we're solving for X. Now, on next month, hmm. I'm wondering if I should really start the graphs yet, because there's a lot of things to expand in the brackets. And then we look at, so there are a few things that we need to do so that you all understand the work that you all are being taught at school. Algebra, this basic algebra is one of them. Right, so don't forget you're sending your work to me, to my WhatsApp. Analia, you're sending it already, right? I like that. I like that. Right. Beautiful. Beautiful. So, yes, you're going good. Go ahead, continue. I like how you minus the 12. Beautiful. Go ahead, continue. Next step. You're not finished now. All right, Janicia. Beautiful, beautiful. Ah, you made a small mistake, Janicia. In your third line. In your third line, you forgot your x with the 3. And that's negative 3, Janicia. So put it in, it's negative 3x in your third line. Go back to your third line. Ah, all right, Miss Trinity. Oh boy, you're going good. You're going good, but you made a mistake. So I have to show you where you made a mistake. You made a small mistake. All right. So I have to show you how to think in a certain way. But you're going good. It's not correct, but yet most of your work is. So I'll show you where I made a mistake in a while, Trinity. Gabriel, I'm waiting on you, and then we'll explain where we went. What? Gabriel, I'm waiting on you.
Okay, so I got something now.
Right, cool. That's what we're talking about. So negative 3x plus 12 minus 12 equals to 48 minus 12. Now, just now, because we kind of understanding this, we're not going to do this step, not step 2 anymore. I'm going to skip that step soon. All right, so we have negative 3x equals to 36. Now, this no division, no division. So write this down, Analia. I'll wait on you. Write this down in your book. So what we did, Analia, is that you didn't have your plus sign here, Analia. You hear me?
Yeah. So
Right, so you put in your plus sign. That's the first thing. And what is plus 12 minus 12, Analia?
plus 12 that'll be 0.
0. Right, so that's why there's nothing here. All right, there's nothing there because it's 0. The 0 is understood. And 48 minus 12 is how much? 36. All right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Good. So write this down quickly.
Yeah, I write it already.
Okay, very good. So people, Analia, what is this? What does negative 3x mean?
No.
We did it already. I guess you won't hear. So what's negative 3x means? It means negative 3 multiply by what? Analia, it means negative 3 multiply by what? Make a guess. It's negative 3. Analia, are you there?
Yeah.
Right, so it's negative 3. I asked you, what does negative 3x mean? And I started it off. Complete the sentence. It's negative 3 multiplied by what? Watch it. By, no, not 3. Gabriel, tell her.
Yeah.
Negative 3x means negative 3 multiplied by?
I was in negative, she said.
No, negative 3 multiplied by what? By what? Watch the question. It's negative 3 multiplied by
X.
x. By x. So, Gabriel, negative 3x means what? Negative
Means negative
3x
3.
means what?
Negative 3 multiplied by x, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful. Analia, what does
Yes.
negative 3x mean?
3 multiplied by x.
No, that's not 3. What does negative 3x mean?
Oh. 3. Wait, hold on. I've never seen it.
Take your time. Take your time. If you make a mistake, that's okay. You'll make the mistake a million times until you get it right. What does negative 3x mean, Analia?
3 multiplied by x.
That is not, you're halfway correct. That is not 3. What is it?
X.
Watch here. Watch the screen. Watch the screen. Watch your screen.
Yeah.
Right. So I am saying we have two things. We have two things. We have this. We have 3, negative 3, and we have this. We have two circles here. We have negative 3 and we have x. So I'm saying negative 3x means what? Tell me. Analia.
3.
Huh?
Yeah. Negative 3
Uh-huh.
multiplied by x.
Ah, give her a clap, folks. Give her a clap. Whew. You have me sweating. It's negative 3 What does it mean again, Analia?
Negative 3 multiplied by x.
Thank you. So say it again. That sounds like music to my ears. Say it again. Negative 3x means.
Negative 3x means negative 3 multiplied by x.
Oh, that sounds beautiful. Thank you very much. Thank you. So listen carefully. Watch the screen. So let's go back to our question. Let's go back to our question. So negative 3x is equal to 36 people. Hello? Negative 3x. Look, I'm scraping up my screen. Negative 3x is equal to 36. So we want to find for x. What are we finding for, Gabriel?
X, sir.
All right, we're finding for x, bro. So, Analia,
Yeah.
to find for x, we must get rid of the negative 3. Hello? Finding for x means, Analia, we only want, and I'm saying it slow. The equation, you're laughing at me. There is a left-hand side and there's a right-hand side. R-I-G-H-T, right? Good. So you have negative 3x on the left-hand side and the 36 on the right-hand side, but you're finding for x. Finding for x means you only want x on the left-hand side. So that's why we got rid of the 12 first, Analia.
Yes.
So when we got rid of the 12, now we need to get rid of this 3. To get rid of that 3, we have to divide by 3 because the opposite of multiplication is division, Gil. So we have to divide by negative 3 people. This was your mistake. You see, we only finding for x people. All right, my rectangle. Let me draw a better rectangle than that. Let me all right, so we only finding for x people. We only finding for x. So that's why I have to get rid of this 3. I have to get rid of this, and it's not 3, Analia. I have to teach myself. It's a -3. So I have to divide by -3. Whatever I do on the left-hand side, I must do on the, and Aliyah, finish the sentence. Whatever I do on the left-hand side, I must do on the,
Right hand side.
oh, you're making me feel real good. That's right. That's right. So everybody we divide in by -3. Don't forget that. These are steps in maths. That's just how it is. That's just how it is. All right. So we are dividing by -3. So people, the negative signs actually cancel out. Then the 3's cancel out as well. Now watch this, and so we are left with x on this side. Everybody okay with that, or you want me to go over that? Let me go over that. Let me go over that. Watch carefully. I am saying that we have to cancel the negative signs out. And then we say 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 3, 1. Whatever you do, so now we're doing it on this right-hand side. So it's 3 into 3, 1. There's no negative sign with the 36. So 3 into 36, 12. So people, we are left with x equal to 12 over -1. Hello? But that's the same as saying x equal to -12, because anything divided by 1 is the same thing. Anything divided by, yeah.
I was looking over my question, my answer, and your answer, and I know I went wrong.
And what?
I said I know I went wrong. I put in negative by the x instead of the 12.
Oh, all right, Trinity, cool. I know. Actually, that's why I asked you to send your work to me. All right, I didn't want to tell you. I wanted you to actually see that, which is very good. So everybody okay with this? Gabriel, you okay? Janice, you okay? Analia, you okay?
Oh,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. So this is the basics of maths. You should have started it in Form 1. But I find out
So I have a question.
All right, ask your question. Let me hear you now.
How is it -12 if 36 is larger than -3?
Oh, very good question. All I hear her questions, right? Janicia. She's asking, why is it -12 if the 36 is larger? Now, the larger concept only applies for when you are adding numbers or subtracting numbers, not for division or multiplication. So now if I had, let's say 12 minus 3, that's 9. So the bigger number here is 12, so this is positive as well. But when you are doing multiplication, so let's say, or division, so 12 times -3. The answer is actually -36. So the same rule for division is the same rule for multiplication. So if I'm dividing by a negative number, the answer is still negative until people, I have to show you this on a new slide. So if I have 36 divided by 3 was 3, no, yeah, Yeah, yeah. -3. Or if I had 36 multiplied by -3. Now, if I have this, so 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 36, 12. Unless I have -36 divided by -3, my answer will always be negative. So, look, this is when I could cancel off my -3, my negatives. So that was a real good question, you know, because this answer would always be -12. Now, if I'm multiplying 36 multiplied by 3, that's -108, even though the 36 is larger. So when we multiplying or we dividing, the rule is the same. Once you're multiplying by a negative number or you're dividing by a negative number, you will always get a negative answer. But, wait. Let me hasten to add. If I'm multiplying -6 times -3, tell me the answer, somebody. -6 times -3. How much?
Negative.
Those
Negative
two negative signs will cancel. So my answer
18.
is
18.
18. Yeah. Or if you had -6 divided by -3, the negative signs cancel. So 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 6, 2. +2. So once you have your negative signs, two negatives, your answer is always positive. But if you only have one negative, the answer remains negative. Is that okay, people?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Hello, you hear me? Hello, answer me now, man.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes, sir.
thanks. Well, making me feel like a madman talking to myself. Yeah, any questions? Any questions? All
No,
right,
No, sir.
all right. So let me delete all this. Go back. Here we were. All right, we have so what I'm actually doing with you, apart from basic algebra, I'm doing directed numbers, and I recognize that students have a problem with it. So that's why I start with basic algebra. All right. As we'll have a few more students joining, so I'm not rushing it too much because I have to go over this. You all will be the brighter ones, because you all already know how to do this. All right. I want to do a harder one. So I'm doing 5x. That's not, I'm making up this one. 3x. Uh,
Um,
um, so, all right. So before you attempt this, I want you all to listen carefully. Listen carefully, everybody. Everybody listening to me?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Now, You have two X's, one on the left-hand side, one on the right-hand side. So I want you to take the X's on the left-hand side and just make the sign change. So equals, first thing I put in equal sign under equal sign. That's the first thing I do. All right. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this 3x from the right hand side. So let me put right so that people know what I'm talking about. RIGHT. Right. So left, no, LE. Right. So we have X's. So we want to keep them on the left, and we have numbers. We want to keep them on the right. So what we're going to do, we're going to skip, instead of adding 8 here, you're just going to do quickly. You're just going to, and you're going to take this 3x and bring it on the other side. So it becomes negative 3x. Everybody understand what I did?
Yes, sir.
Good. Analia, you understand what I just did? She got knocked out. The key point. Now I'm going to take the 8 and I'm bringing it on the other side. So the 8 becomes what? Now you could write it this way, or you could put negative 24 plus 8. So let me write it that way so you actually see the, so the negative 24, I'm going to bring the 8 on the other side. So I'm going to add 8 on both sides. Everybody understand this second line?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
All right, so complete the question now. Go ahead, everybody. Complete it. Complete it, everybody. Go ahead. Send your answers to me. To my WhatsApp.
Then why you unplug? You see, I have a meeting that will require. I'm going to be using this for my meeting, and I know they say I have a meeting at 5:30.
I'm done. Until 7 o'clock, we have another class. But this week only, next week is.
So I wanted you to have your thing fully charged so that if I'm in meeting, you could record. You put it.
All right, I'll tape in the class. All right. All right, so now that Analia is back, I want you to remember that sometimes you get kicked out. All right, so I have a Form 5 class. There are about 25 people, and the more persons you have, you get kicked out. All right, so don't worry. All right, so I'm looking at people's work now. So once you get kicked out, join back as fast as possible. Once you get kicked out, join back as quick as possible. All right, so she got kicked out again. All right, so Janicia, Janicia, you're not easy. You're not easy at all. Wow, very good work, Janicia. Wow, impressed. Oh, okay. And your 1, 2, 3, your fourth line, you didn't put your -16 though, but you have the right answer. But that's good. I like your statement and your writing is all right. So, Miss Trinity, can you send me back this with equal signs under equal signs? So your 1, 2, 3, your fourth line, you don't have equal sign under equal sign. You're looking nice. Your answer correct too, but I want you to write this over with an equal sign under equal sign for me, please. Hurry up, Trinity, do it over. Don't worry. After a while, you get accustomed to it. So you're doing it, you getting it first. So when you go back to school, people want to know how you're so good. But I want you to do that over for me, Trinity. I'm waiting for it. We're not going to continue without you doing that over with equal sign under equal sign. Gabriel, I'm waiting on you. But that's correct. Gabriel, I'm waiting on you. I want to say work. Rapido.
Okay. Sir, excuse, I kinda lost, sir.
You lost? How come? All right.
Well,
Let's do it together. Where's 5x minus 3x?
2x, sir.
Right, so you write your 2x. What is
Right, I had
negative 24 plus 8?
that would be negative 16, sir.
Right, And what are we doing from
Right.
here?
I think we divided, sir.
Yeah, we dividing by what?
We divided by 2, sir, because 2x
Right,
is 2
so we
divided by
dividing by 2. So finish it up. Yes, Trinity, Trinity, you made your statement real nice now. But the first answer you gave me was correct. The second answer you gave me, you forget your negative sign. So
No,
just
sorry.
yeah. So put it in, please. Right. That is what we're talking about. That's all. Catch this real fast way. All right. Very good class. This was a good class today. I'm sorry that the other girl got knocked out. Analia, because all right, so let's finish up this. So the twos will 22 1, 22 1, 22 1, 20 16 8. But this negative sign is still here, people. So our answer is x. X from this x here, x is equal to -8. Hello, people. Hello. Well, answer me now. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So that's it for today. Look out for homework. The homework will come on the chat. The homework comes on the chat. today's